You tipped me over. You poured me out. You're gonna kill me pretty soon. Look at Hurley's butt. Please figure it out. Please figure it out.
Well, you could probably you could figure it out, probably, Lauren.
I just don't want to talk on the phone. Cause like when I was listening to her talk on the phone, it was really weird. Thank you.
What?
You said liar.
Dang it. I was gonna kick it away once you did that.
Oh no.
Stop knocking over the stuff!
Harley, what are you doing? Harley.
Yeah, but he knows it was a big spot to sit once he got up there.
Oh, snap, you just dissed yourself.
Oh!
I want to get more
I love it by myself.
Lauren's gonna lock you really quick. Oh!